Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little spark in this video for you guys. It is the Super King. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Ragnaruk, or a Glade Ragnaruk. So yeah, there you guys go. But yeah, here's the back. The parts is Ragnarok and Glade. One stamina and the wheel and revolve. I've been really waiting for this guy. I just got off of work. I'm doing this at a late night, so that's why it's so quiet. Oh god, don't want to mess up this box, because it's actually a pretty cool box. Oh god. There we go. Whole bunch of stickers. I'll put the stickers on later in the video. Oh god. Okay, let's unbox this. I'm really excited for this. Oh, that's pretty cool right there. Oh, that's heavy, yes. Finally getting my hands on it, and a pretty cool, cool little revolve. Let's get the main thing. Okay. Stay tuned out for a whole bunch of videos. There we go. Okay. Oh, jeez. That is all down right here. Sorry about that. I asked my neighbors. Oh god. Don't break it. Don't break it. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get all these parts together. Here's this piece right here. Of course, I'll be putting the stickers on. Here's the spark. I forgot the name of this one. That's pretty cool right there. Right spin. The S1, or the 1S. Wheel. I love the weight to it. I'm probably going to use this in a combo right here. And of course, revolve. Let me put on it all together and put the stickers on for you guys. There we go. Got that. Oh, jeez. There we go. Oh god, oh. There we go. Okay. There we go. Got it locked in. There we go. Oh god, that's tight. But yeah, let me put the stickers on and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. It took me a little bit longer to put the stickers on, but yeah, here he is. Full thing. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye. I'll be doing a lot more battle videos tomorrow. I'm recording this late at night. But yeah, goodbye.